Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jay Manchaki. I'm the Director of Content at SaaS Markets, the Enterprise App Store company. And to my right is my colleague Cameron Ministry, our Enterprise Sales Manager. Unfortunately, our CEO, Freddie Roberts, is unable to join us today, but I'm extremely excited to be here all the way from Silicon Valley to show you why deploying an Enterprise App Store could potentially be beneficial for your organization, but also show you why financial companies around the world, including some of the leading US and European banks, are increasingly deploying Enterprise App Stores at a significant rate. For the uninitiated, an Enterprise App Store is a user-friendly, secure web portal through which either your internal employee workforce or your external SME business customers can access all the cloud-based business tools they need to succeed. And I think it's important to note before we dive in that a BMC study recently found that the APAC region, Asia Pacific, will actually lead the charge in deploying enterprise app stores at a rate of over 50% year over year through 2018. And of course, Gartner and Forrester have echoed these forecasts with similar findings. So let us dive in. The first thing you're going to see is a fictitious Finovate Bank app store. Now, I'm acting in the role as an SME client of perhaps a large bank, and I'm coming to the store for the first time. And what I notice is that the bank has neatly organized various categories according to the business functions or business challenges I might face. And I see an array of categories. I'm going to click on marketing because what business can't use a little help with marketing? What I see here is also a range of subcategories from events management, campaign management. But today, I'm most interested in the email marketing tools because I need to run an email marketing campaign for my company. Now, I'm presented with an array of opportunities, different email marketing tools, and I kind of like the look of this MailChimp app, so I click on that. And what I instantly see is an array of screenshots of the application in use, reasons to use the app, and there's even an introductory video that's going to teach me how to use that application. So I'm kind of enamored with this app by this point. I'm going to click on the free trial button because 90% of the apps presented in the App Store are available for a free trial opportunity so you can try before you buy. And I receive a message about the request, and when I go to my dashboard, I notice that the application has been provisioned to me for my use. And the great thing is I can start using that application instantly because of the great single sign-on technology that SaaS Markets lends to the App Store. Now, if I'm scrolling down further, the home page of my App Store as an SME client of a bank, I notice My Featured Apps. And what this is a collection of applications that have been presented to the user based on all the information that small business offered up at the outset of using the store. For example, based on the company's business size, the number of employees, so on and so forth, that data that tells you, profiles the SME business user. And the great thing is we're able to extrapolate tons of data from all your SME clients using the App Store. We take that big data, bring it back to you, and so you can take a look at App Store usage patterns and the overall consumption of the store and how it's used. We bring those analytics back to you so you can engage your customer more and get to know them better. Finally, at the bottom of the App Store, thing you're going to notice, and this is a great differentiator for us, we have the video section of the App Store and also the article section. The videos offer instructional videos, tutorial guides, all industry tailored based on the profile of your SME clientele to help them run their businesses better. Again, that lends some depth to your claim that you're a trusted advisor to your external business clients. And similarly on the right, we have relationships with business publishing houses around the world that provides great, insightful white papers, best practice guides, industry news articles, everything that SME client really needs to run their business better. And so what we've just taken a look at is a glimpse into the MarketMaker C Cloud platform. Again, that's an enterprise app store platform for your external business clientele. Now we're going to switch roles and we're going to turn to our MarketMaker eCloud platform, which is an enterprise app store platform for your employee workforce. Not only are your external business clients discovering software as a service applications or cloud-based apps frequently, but so are your internal employees. And so I want to give you a true user experience of what an employee would see if they were coming to the App Store for the first time, and they're greeted with an introductory video that engages them, but also shows them how the App Store can be used.
Welcome to the Cloud App Center, your gateway to the business software you need, all in one place. With single sign-on technology in the App Center, you can easily access your...
That's just a taste, ladies and gentlemen. We don't have to go through the whole video. But once they've watched that video, your employee is dropped into the homepage of his or her app center. And what that user is going to first see is the applications that have been provisioned to them by the IT department. In this instance, I'm acting as a marketing employee at Finovate Bank. And I'm going to look around at the apps on my homepage. You know, I'm a marketer, so I naturally click on Marketo, which is a marketing automation tool. And I see, again, reasons to use this app, screenshots about the app in use. And again, there's also an introductory video teaching that employee how to use the Marketo, the marketing automation tool. Now, we're going to head back to the home page of the App Store. And one of the great things is that not only can they just see the apps here, but if they don't see the apps they need, we've given them the functionality to browse through hundreds of pre-approved vetted business applications that have not only been vetted by us in our testing processes, but also by your IT department. So these are sanctioned applications that they can go ahead and use, because you don't want those employee users going outside of the firewall, downloading applications from public app stores that could potentially expose your networks to corruptive malware and other IT headaches. And certainly with the application or proliferation of SaaS apps in the financial industry, we want to make sure that they come to your app store first. And then we see the request for the Wrike app, which is a project management tool. And the user receives a notification that it's pending approval. A message is instantly sent to the IT department and the employee's manager requesting approval. And if you go back to the home page, you'll notice that the Wrike app is temporarily grayed out or pending use until the approval is granted, whereupon it's going to appear in the My App section of the home page. So that's an example of the browse functionality. Another great feature is the opportunity to customize the homepage. Personalization is huge for enduring App Store engagement and usage. So we have some great drag and drop functionality in our App Store that if we want to customize our homepage, we can do that as well. Now, certainly as time is short, I would welcome you to come speak with Cameron and myself in the pavilion, and we'll show you why some of the leading US and European banks are increasingly deploying our platform and how it could potentially serve your needs. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I look forward to speaking with you in the pavilion.